Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gurumurthy, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Arts and Science, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Today we are talking about nitrocompounds. Already we know that nitrocompounds is one of the organic compounds. It's containing nitrogen, can be broadly classified in two groups. The compounds containing nitro functional group is NO2. The compounds containing amine functional group NH2 and their derivatives. And these nitro compounds are primary source of organic compounds with the functional group is NO2 to start the synthesis of many other important compounds. The NO2 group attached with organic chain is called nitro functional group. All the compounds containing the nitro functional group are called organic nitro compounds. They are classified as aliphatic nitro compounds, aromatic nitro compounds. The functional group is NO2, already we know that is a nitro group. Only prefix nitro, there is no suffix used in nomenclature. Preparation is by nitration. Nitration mixture means NHO3 plus H2SO4, which means nitric acid and sulfuric acid mixture. That is a nitration. For examples, nitromethane, 1,2 nitroethane, 2 nitropropane, 2 nitro-2 methylpropane, 2 nitrobenzene, para-nitrotoluene. Those are some examples for nitro compounds. Aliphatic nitro compounds. If the nitro functional group is attached with aliphatic carbon chain, it is called as aliphatic nitro compounds. They are weakly acidic due to the azonitro form, and they are soluble in alkalis and can undergo the condensation reaction with aldehyde. For example, nitromethane. Aliphatic nitro compounds, if the nitro functional group is attached with benzene ring, it is called as aromatic nitro compounds. All aromatic nitro compounds are yellow colored liquids which may change to dark brown color due to the oxidation. The NO2 group is called as a nitro group. It is an electron withdrawing group due to its inductive effect as well as a minus resonance effect. A general method of preparation: nitration of alkanes from alkyl halides, from salt of alpha halogenocarboxylic acid, from primary amines, from nitroalkanes, from oximes, and etc. By direct nitration of alkanes, alkanes are treated with a nitrating mixture, fuming nitric acid with concentrated sulfuric acid to give nitro compounds. The method will not give good yield in a case of aliphatic nitro compounds, but it will give best yield for aromatic nitro compounds like nitrobenzene. Ethane on nitration gives nitroethane, CH3 plus NHO3 plus H2SO4 gives CH3CH2 NO2, nitroethane. From alkyl halides, by treating iodoalkanes with silver nitrate, iodoalkanes on reacting with silver nitrate give nitro compounds. This method will not give good yield for nitrobenzene, but all the aliphatic nitro compounds can be prepared by this method. For example, iodoethane on treating with silver nitrate gives nitroethane. CH3CH2I AgNO2 gives CH3CH2 NO2 plus AgI. By treating amines with the alkaline KMnO4. The tertiary amine of treating with alkaline KMnO4, they give tertiary nitrocompounds. This method works only with the tertiary amines. Properties of nitrocompounds. So low melting point equals as a sweet odor. Some nitroarene are a solid crystalline substance. High boiling point, water insoluble, often highly explosive. Most important reaction is reduction. For example, nitrobenzene, nitrosobenzene, N-phenylhydroxylamine, isobenzene, hydrosobenzene, and aniline. Physical properties of nitrocompounds. The aliphatic nitrocompounds are mostly gaseous in nature. The higher number are liquids. Aromatic nitrocompounds are yellow color liquids which intensify to brown color by time. They are polars due to the presence of nitro group. Isomers in nitrocompounds. Isomers exhibited by organic nitrocompounds can be classified into the following states. Chain isomerism. The compounds having some molecular formula and a different nature of carbon chain is called as chain isomer. For example, 1-nitrobutane and 2-methyl-1-nitropropane. Position isomerism. The compounds have same molecular formula and the difference in the position of attachment of functional group is called as a position isomer. For example, 1-nitropropane and 2-nitropropane. Functional group isomers. Nitrocompounds are functional group isomer for nitrate compounds in which the oxygen is bonded with the carbon chain. The following diagram explains the difference between the nitromethane and methyl nitrite. Tautomerism. In solution of nitroform is an equilibrium with azonitropform. Azonitropform is acidic in nature and hence nitromethane is soluble in alkalis. And the left side is nitroform, as is isoform. The double bond is shifted to carbon to nitrogen. Chemical properties of nitrocompounds. Nitrocompounds undergo the tautomerism in solution of to azonitropform, which is acidic in nature. Left side is a nitroform, right side is a acidiform. Hence, all the nitrocompounds are weakly acidic in nature. They dissolve in bases to give the salt and can be regenerated by adding strong acid like HCl. Similarly, they can be reduced to amino compounds in acidic and basic medium. Reaction of nitroalkane. One is a reduction, second one is a hydrolysis, third one is halogenation, fourth is a reaction with nitrous oxide acid, fifth one is a condensation with aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aliphatic nitrocompounds. Aliphatic nitrocarbones can be reduced to amines by treating with tin HCl. That is the effective way to convert nitrocarbones to amine. CH3NO2 gives CH3NH2. The nitrocarbon convert to amine. Aliphatic nitrocarbones can be reduced to hydroxylamine by treating with diborane. CH3NO2 gives CH3NHOH. Aliphatic nitrocarbones are reduced to oxime using stannous chloride. CH3NO2 gives CH3N double bond OH. Reduction of aromatic nitrocarbones. Nitrobenzene can be reduced to aniline by tin and HCl. Nitrobenzene converted aniline and treating with Raney nickel. Nitrobenzene is reduced by phenyl hydroxylamine. Trinitotoluene is best known as a useful explosive material with convenient handling properties. Aromatic nitrocarbones is yellow color liquids which intensified brown to time to color with characteristics water, steam, volatile, and can be purified by steam distillation, and they are polar due to the presence of nitro group. Nitrobenzene is electron withdrawing group by both inductive effect and resonance effect. Hence, it deactivates the Benson ring. It is a meta-directing group. By direct nitration of alkanes, CH3, HNO3 plus H2SO4 gives a nitroethane. And also benzene reacted with the nitro mixture with the nitrobenzene. There are useful intermediate of in preparation of amino compounds and as a diazonium salt, which are a synthetic important material to prepare almost all organic compounds. The nitrobenzene is used to sugar and fluorolysis. Also used in the paint and solvent to mask unpleasant odor in chemicals. They are used to prepare the azo dyes and soil in sterility. It is used in the manufacture of paracetamol. Amino acids, alpha amino acid, carboxylic acid, the building blocks from which proteins are made. And we know that amino acids, 4 different atoms or group is attached in the carbon atom. It's called amino acids. That is called chiral molecules or chiral center or chiral carbon. There are 20 naturally occurring R groups. Amino acids as with carbohydrate, it is a traditional use of the D and L nomenclature with amino acids based on the configuration glyceraldehyde. Usually occurring the amino acids generally have the same configuration as L glyceraldehyde, S configuration of the alpha carbon. Left side is L glyceraldehyde, right side is L alanine. Synthesis of amino acids. The ammonium of alpha bromo carboxylic acids provide the straightforward method preparing alpha amino carboxylic acid. Bromo acids are conveniently prepared for carboxylic acid by reaction with bromine plus PCl3. The second method is modifying the nitrogen as a phthalimide salt proficiency of amines due to undergo the multiple substitution is removed. A single clean substitution reaction primaries and many of secondary alkyl halide take place. This procedure is known as the Cabral synthesis. It can be used to advantage is main animating bromomolanic ester shown in the upper equation of the following scheme. Since phthalimide substituted molecule ester can be acidic hydrogenation, it's activated to the two ester groups, and intermediate may be converted into the abundant anion and alkylated. Finally, the base catalysis of phthalimide moiety and the esters followed the acidification and thermal decarboxylation produce the amino acids and phthalic acids. The elegant procedure known as Strecker synthesis similar to the alpha amino acids from ammonia, cyanide and aldehyde. This reaction is essential and immunoanalog cyclohydrin formation. The alpha amino nitrile formed in this way can be hydrolyzed to amino acid by either acid or base catalyst. Acid base properties since amino acids which have both acidic functional group and basic functionality should export the following equilibrium. In fact, the equilibrium the lies all amino acids are charged at the pH. Such a species overall natural molecules but containing charge reagent are called Schweitzer-ions. Amino acids react with either acid base. That amino acid can be have side chain containing acid and base groups. Deprotonated physiological pH, the protonated at the physiological pH. It is a glutamic acid as it is R, lysine basically R. Classification: the amino acids are classified on the basis of structure R. Aliphatic side chain, hydrophobic, polar side chain test classified as a HO, sulfur and amide contain the hydrophilic. Acidic is a hydrophilic, base is hydrophilic, heterocyclic aromatic is a hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The aminos are classified on the basis of structure R. Aliphatic side chains either hydrophobic, those compounds are all of hydrophobic compounds. And the polar side chain of the text HO, sulfur and amide containing hydrophilic. Given below, those compounds are all of hydrophilic compounds. Heterocyclic or aromatic is hydrophilic and hydrophobic compounds. Acid base properties: non-polar and polar side chain compounds is given below. Its value of pK value of alpha carboxylic acid and pK value of alpha amine. The value is given below. Side chain COH groups due to the electron withdrawing inductive effect with alpha ammonium group. The side chain of COH groups are also strong than acetic acid. The effective decreases the distance from alpha ammonium group compared to alpha COH groups as aniline. pK value is 2.35. Beta carboxylic acid group of aspartic acid, pK value is 3.86. Gamma carboxylic acid group of glutamic acid, pK value is 4.07. The acidity of alpha ammonium groups. The average value of pK value for alpha ammonium group is 9.47. The comparative value of 10.76 per primary alkyl ammonium ions. Those are pK values in 9.47. Primary alkyl ammonium ions is 10.60. The basicity of guanidine group, and the side chain of alanine contains the guanidine group. They have the resonance structure. The pK value is 12.48. Peptide. Peptide is a name given the start polymer of amino acids joined by peptide bonds. They are classified by the number of amino acids in the chain. Dipeptides molecules contain 2 amino acids joined by the peptide bond. Tripeptide means molecules contain 3 amino acids joined by peptide bonds. Polypeptide means macromolecules containing many amino acids joined by peptide bonds. Protein is the biological macromolecules of molecular weight 5000 gram per mole or greater, consist of one or more polypeptide chain. That's called proteins. The peptides are amino acids polymers containing 2 to 50 in individual units. Peptides with greater than 50 units are called proteins. By converting peptide structure written with the N-terminal amino acids on the left side, C-terminal amino acids right side. See this structure. Left side is amino group present here. Right side is carboxyl group present here. Glycinidine, amino terminal amino acids. Left side is amino group, right side is carboxyl group. Here also aniline, carboxyl terminal amino acids. Right side is carboxyl group, left side is amino group. Tautomers means perceive in organic chemistry. It is typically associated with polar molecules and ions containing functional group that are the least weakly acidic. Most tautomers exist pairs, which means that the person is located to one of two positions, and even more especially the most common form involves the hydrogen changing places with a double bond. For example, H single bond X single bond Y double bond Z equilibrium, H double bond Y single bond X Z single bond H. The common tautomer pairs include keto form is H single bond O single bond C double bond C equilibrium O double bond C single bond C single bond H. Enamine means H single bond N single bond C double bond C equilibrium N double bond C single bond C double bond single bond H. And amide imidic acid means H single bond N single bond C double bond O equilibrium N double bond C single bond O single bond H. That is a amide imidic acid. The enol form is already we know that. See this slide, enol form and keto form. So double bond shift to carbon to hydroxyl group. The lactam form of lactine form, amide form, imidic form. The keto-enol tautomerism typically strongly favor to keto tautomer, but important excitation in case of 1,3 diketones such as acetyl acetone. In nature, chlorophenicol is an example of natural occurring nitrocarbons. At least some naturally occurring nitrogroups occurs by oxidation of no groups. 2-nitrophenol is an aggregation of phenomenon of tricks. Example of nitrocompounds are rare in nature. 3-nitropropanic acid found in fungi and plants. And nitropentadecane is a defense compound found in dermatitis. Nitrophenylethane is found in Anibia canelilla. Explosion. The explosive decomposition of organonitro compounds are a redox reaction wherein both accident and the fuel, it means a hydrocarbon substituent, are found within the same molecule. Explosive process generate the heat by forming high stable product, including molecular nitrogen and carbon dioxide and water. The explosive power of the redox reaction is enhanced because of these stable products are gases at mild temperatures. Many of contact explosives contain the nitrocompounds. Many pharmaceuticals also have their chemical agents in aromatic compounds. Substituted nitrobenzenes and nitropridines are used to create the diverse collection of indoles, which are the bioactive compounds not only of drugs but also agrochemicals. The derivatives of phenolazothianes, large classes of drugs with antipsychotic properties, can be synthesized using the nitrobenzene or halonitrobenzenes. The chloronitrobenzenes are a feedstock used to create new derivatives of anpyrrolene and non-peptide analysis. The synthesis of lidocaine means one of the local anesthetic. It's a classic organic chemistry laboratory exercise that starts with the reduction of 2,6 dimethyl nitrobenzene to 2,6 cyanidine. And paracetamol also known as the acetaminophen, which is sold as a over-the-counter analysis and antipyretic, is produced the one-step reduction acetamination of para-nitrophenol. Then aromatic amines, one of the largest groups of feedstock used by the chemical industries, are produced by catalytic reduction of nitroaromatic compounds. Aniline with worldwide consumption of approximately 3 million tons in 2003 is produced at industrial scale of two-stage process, which benzene is first nitrated and purified to the yield nitrobenzene and then hydrogenated using the metal catalyst and hydrogen gas. Anilines not only are used to synthesize drugs, pesticide and explosive, but also are the fundamental